guys, Jen here. Today I am doing a product review video, and this is from Influenster. It is the L'Oreal Paris Voxbox. So inside this little black box is L'Oreal Paris Pure Sugar Scrub. And this one is for face and lips, purify and unclog 3 pure sugars and kiwi. So this Voxbox is the Pure Sugar Scrubs Voxbox. I guess there were 2 other types of scrubs in this line. There's Nourish and Soften, Purify and Unclog, and Smooth and Glow. And you can see the pictures right there. And I got the Purify and Unclog, and I really love how kiwis smell, so I'm excited. So it's naturally derived blend of 3 pure sugars are paired with kiwi seeds, peppermint, and lemongrass oils. This light gel scrub, or light gel sugar scrub, is truly kind to your skin. This scrub with brown, blonde, and white sugars, rich in formulas, melts into your skin for gentle yet effective exfoliation. Purify and unclog for baby soft skin for use on both face and lips. And then on the back it also says, see effective results. Immediately your skin's supposed to feel purified and clean. Dirt, oil, and impurities are effectively removed. Dull skin is gently polished away. Then after a week of using this, your face is supposed to feel, the skin should feel baby soft, smooth, and comforted. Pores should look tighter, unclogged, and less visible. Skin looks less shiny and rebalanced and looks healthier, smoother, and glowing. So you're supposed to smooth a small amount with dry fingers onto a clean, dry skin, avoiding the eye area. Massage over face with wet fingers. Rinse with warm water. So this is the container, and they did send me a full size sample. Full size. It's not a sample size. So if you were to go to the store and buy it, this is the size it's going to be in. Ooh. So just taking off the lid, it smells amazing. So it has a little white cap. And we're just gonna pop that cap off. Ooh. And look at that. It looks like slime almost. I'm gonna go ahead and try this stuff. Let me just pull the rest of my bangs back. So it says to apply a small amount to clean, dry skin, avoiding the eye area. My face is clean. I have nothing on it right now. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe my face real quick, just because I did put some powder on just so it wouldn't be so shiny on the camera. But other than that, I have not worn any makeup today. So now that I am super shiny once again. It doesn't say how long to massage this onto your face, but usually the rule of thumb is about 3 minutes for face things, at least for me. My rule of thumb is 3 minutes. So I'm going to get a glob. Oh, it just feels weird. Because it has this bright green color, and it has the seeds, and you can definitely feel like the sugar in there, making it have the exfoliation. So it just feels so weird on my fingers. Ooh. Like, I don't know if you guys are young enough to remember, but back when I was a kid, we had this Harry Potter mail-in thing where you could get like potions and stuff to make, and one of the things you could make was troll bogies, and that's what this reminds me of. Ugh, okay. So I'm gonna massage this in for 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna wipe it off and come back and let you guys know what I think. All right, so my thoughts on this scrub. So my face does feel smoother and softer. These parts right here, I still feel bumpy, but I wasn't expecting that to go away with just one use. I'm definitely going to use it for about a week still. Give it a full week's run just to see how it feels after the week. But first time use, like as soon as I put it on my face, I could feel the heat radiating from my face, which kind of worried me. I was worried I was gonna have maybe a reaction to it or break out in some way, but we will see how that outcome is. I do definitely feel like the excess skin on my nose that builds up here that usually get loaded up with a bunch of nastiness. The sebum is it feels pretty clearer than normal. Sorry if I'm rambling. I'm trying to figure out the best way to explain this to you guys. My chin feels very smooth, which before, like earlier today, I was sitting there going like this, and I was getting like gunk out, and right now it's not doing it, so that's a good thing. That's a very, very good thing. Yeah, I'm in love with how smooth, silky smooth coatings on. Yeah, it's just the sugars itself, just in there exfoliating. They did a good job. I feel very, very exfoliated. I did my lips as well. They still feel the same, but it was just one-time use. Not expecting a complete miracle overnight. I have my doubts about this because, I don't know, I feel like a lot of these beauty guru and exfoliating products are kind of just money grabbers. I personally probably wouldn't buy it myself. I don't know. It's a possibility. I'll give it another week or two and see how I feel. As of right now, just with how my face feels right now, I'm going to give this product about a 7, maybe an 8. Yeah, my main complaint with this product are the seeds that are in it. I don't feel like they did anything but just move around on my skin. Maybe the seeds were meant to do more of an exfoliation in contrast with the small granulars of the sugar. But for me personally, I feel like they smoothed over. When I was cleaning my face, I found some on my ear and right here in the crevice of my nose. So I don't know, I feel like they were just there for looks, honestly. So yeah, I'm gonna keep giving it the whole week's try to see how I feel at the end of the week, and we will see how I feel then. Bye.